How to deactivate your Facebook. If you're struggling to deactivate your Facebook, I have some tricks on how you can do it. Firstly, tap on Facebook app. Now you have to tap on the option called Menu, which is on your bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. As you tap into it, scroll down and tap on the option called Settings and Privacy. Tap on the first option called Settings and tap on the first box, which is right under the Meta Account Center. It will now show you your profile. Scroll down and tap on the option called Personal Details. As you tap into it, you can see there are 4 options in which you have to tap on the last option, which is called Account Ownership and Control. In this control, you can see there are 2 options, which is called Deactivation or Delete. Tap on Deactivation. It will now show you your profile. Kindly tap on your profile. After tapping on your profile, it will show you if you want to delete your account or deactivate your account. Tap on Deactivate Account and enter your password. After you enter your password, your account will automatically be deactivated. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.